1, 2. Wow, lots of bee marks. 3. Don't know if this one counts. 4. 5. 6. This is a big fella. 7. 8 is probably the first one. Still not right yet. 9 and 10 is probably the biggest one compared to my hands. Oh, I think I missed one. Did I count this one? Maybe. It's either 10 or 11. Waiting for the tomatoes to turn red. Because there are so many. Broccoli. This is how a baby broccoli looks like. Looks like an actual broccoli, just smaller. Waiting for these giants to develop the heart of the cabbage. Not sure what's taking so long. The leaves are quite hard. And next to them, cabbage, spinach. We should harvest them this weekend. No, that's not a spinach. And the radish is coming along nicely, or the daikon. There's a lot of little holes because I think some sort of a sandfly likes to eat it.